Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Peugeot 3008. So from any screen, you've got the telephone switch here. You click the telephone switch. There's nothing connected, so it's showing Bluetooth search. But if you go to options, Bluetooth connection, and you'll see there's a phone listed. It's trying to connect to it, but there's a bin at the top. If you click the bin at the top, changes that to the bin signal, so you can delete any phones. Delete the selected Bluetooth device, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Peugeot 3008. So first of all, click settings, onto Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on. Then we're watching out at the bottom here. So it's already picked the phone up. If I click Bluetooth now, and we go over here, it's just changed automatically. Barry's iPhone 13P wants to connect to the system, accept, yes. To complete the pairing with Barry's iPhone 13P, confirm the code 532707, 532707, so pair, and yes. That's it. Now you can choose what you want it for. So the streaming and telephone, both of those, I don't need mobile internet. Click OK, and over here, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And then we're just watching out for it connecting. BT Peugeot connected. That's how easy that is. Now, the good thing with this system also is, if you go to your music, let's see, Steely Dan's playing at the moment, I'm going to turn that down, but you see at the bottom there, again, Bluetooth Peugeot. If I click that, your choices are iPhone or Bluetooth Peugeot. There's a tick next to Bluetooth Peugeot, which means that if I set this up correctly, anything that's playing on here, whether it be Spotify, Apple Music, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, the audio will come through the speakers. So now we go over, there's a musical symbol here, a note at the end. We click onto that, that's media, and you'll see there, those are all the radio stations. You can go through the radio stations like so, but what we want is sources at the top. You can also change from this button here, I think, to select a different source, but I'll just show you. So click sources, we want Bluetooth. Just wait a sec. If I click play here, there you go. So that's Steely Dan, Haitian Divorce, playing through the speakers here. And if I turn this up and then turn this, well, I'll use this. So that's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav from the actual system, not the Apple Carplay. So you've got a little arrow here with north. We'll click that. That brings up your sat-nav here. You've got menu and so on. If I click menu, you've got my destinations, points of interest search, enter address, guidance criteria, route and waypoints, but we want enter address. So there we go. We are, that's saying city at the moment, but I'm going to try postcode. So what we need to do is we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, PR. We need to go to numbers now. So we'll click there, that takes it to numbers, 5, 4. We need to go back to the alphabet. It's bringing up suggested postcodes here, but we'll finish it off, EA. PR5, 4EA, that's it. Now you can click OK there. So, OK. Asking me for a number, there's no number, so just OK again. Got to agree, OK, that we're not going to be distracted by, that message. That's it, that's how you do it. There you can add stations, car parks, change the map colour, consult it, we'll just go back. I'll click go back onto the menu, let's just see
After
there.
20 yards, you have reached your destination.
well, we're sat in the forecourt, so that's good. Menu, here we go. All important. A lot of the time when you it's a place you don't know your way back from. You set your sat nav, you set off, and then sooner or later you get to a point where you should know your way back from, and you don't want it keep telling you or reading prompts out. So just stop navigation there, and that's it. It's a really good system in this Peugeot 3008. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Now, the best system in cars these days, in my opinion, is Apple CarPlay. I'm going to turn the fan down a little bit now. Hopefully my cameras will last long enough before overheating. So click that off. That's your USB charging lead plugged in underneath there. I click on that. I'll just click on, well, no, so you can see both hopefully. So click that in. It's already set up to go to Apple CarPlay. There you go, Apple CarPlay's come on. If it doesn't, what you need to do is click on your settings, then you go to General, there's General, CarPlay, and accept it for CarPlay. But once you plug it in, keeps your phone charged, and it automatically mirrors your iPhone. So onto here, if I click there, that shows you your iPhone screen, and I can scroll through it like so. But far simpler. For instance, hey Siri, navigate to Manchester. I'll just turn that up.
Getting directions to Manchester.
Go.
Starting route to Manchester.
It's that simple to
southeast on the A675, then turn right onto Gregson Lane.
It's that simple to set your sat nav. Or, hey Siri, navigate to McDonald's.
One possibility I see is McDonald's on Clifford Street in Chorley. Would you like to try that one?
So again, it's so simple. For audio, the good thing with this as well is, if I click audio there, then again, if I turn it up, click play. So that's that. But so if I scroll through like so into Audible, click play, turn it up.
No, I'm not on holiday either.
There you go. That's reading a book to me. We'll go back. I'm going to knock that off so we can't. Well, here we go. Hey Siri, send a message to Barry Crampton.
Which phone number for Barry Crampton? iPhone or 150? What do you want to say?
Hey Barry, I'm just testing the fantastic Apple CarPlay system in this Peugeot 3008.
Your message to Barry Crampton says, hey Barry, I'm just testing the fantastic Apple CarPlay system in his Peugeot 3008. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Now you'll see the message has turned up there. Hey Siri, read messages.
Barry Crampton sent a new message. Hey Barry, I'm just testing the fantastic Apple CarPlay system in his Peugeot 3008. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
So, as I say, it's absolutely fantastic. Your calendar, anything that you've synced with your CarPlay system. So there's Amazon Music, playlist for you, albums for you, and click on playlist for you. My Discovery Mix, the Oldman Brothers. Fleetwood Mac, 50 great classic rock tracks. Let's see, so we'll go back again. Spotify, WhatsApp, Google Maps. It's just a fantastic system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.